country. Welcome to Weekend Prime. I'm Robinson Okenye and Angel Lois is on sign language. Now, let's begin with the stories on a fuel shortage in the country. And fuel scarcity is tightening its grip across parts of the country, with long queues and dry pumps reported in Mombasa and Kakamega, and isolated shortages emerging in Nairobi. Transport operators are counting losses as access to fuel becomes increasingly unpredictable, even as authorities face mounting pressure to act amid claims of market speculation.
A wave of fuel shortages sweeping across Mombasa County, disrupting transport and slowing down economic activity in the coastal region. A spot check by KTN showed several fuel stations remain dry, while others are rationing the little available supply.
Mafuta imeanza kuwa ngumu sana. Unaweza ingia station ukaona mafuta unapata ni kidogo, na foleni ni watu ni wengi, unapanga foleni. Kwa ufupi mafuta imekuwa ni balaa.
It is believed that the crisis may have been triggered by a slowdown in supply from key distribution points, with some dealers reportedly holding back stock in anticipation of a possible increase in fuel prices.
Sisi ni watu wa mbonda na bila mafuta hakuna kazi, na bila kazi hakuna mapato. Kwa hivyo ni serikali iangalie vile itatusupport.
The situation is mirrored in Kakamega County, where a number of fuel stations have remained closed due to the same shortage. Drivers and border operators in Kakamega say they have been forced to travel outside the town just to access fuel.
Na ukweli kwamba tuko na shida sana ya mafuta. Kila petroli ambayo tunaenda tunapambana na changamoto mingi ya mafuta. Kama saa hii nataka kunywa mafuta hapa, mafuta imepotea.
Kwa zile station za nje kidogo, alafu tunapanga laini muda mrefu ndio unafikia mafuta. Tena bei umeongeza. Lita moja imekuwa 160. Saa hii lita tunauziwa shilingi 200.
Ukienda Shell hakuna, ukienda mahali popote hakuna. Labda uende outskirts of this town and then you will get the fuel there. Lakini in town hakuna mafuta.
Meanwhile, in Nairobi, the shortage was felt early this morning at select stations, causing brief panic among motorists, while major outlets in the city continue to operate normally. The anxiety is palpable. But in a stark contrast, the government, through the relevant ministries, has assured the country that there is sufficient fuel in store, insisting there is no need for panic.
They may be affected a little bit, only that we are going to intervene sufficiently to make sure that prices don't rise.
I must also discourage Kenyans not to engage in any mode of panic buying. It's unnecessary because, as I've said, we have got enough stocks in the country.
Stakeholders are now calling for urgent government intervention to ensure continuity in the supply chain. The concerns of scarcity stem from the global tension following the Middle East war that continues to destabilize international oil markets. Haman Kamariki, KTN.
Will be coming